Hey YouTube, K's Garage here doing a video about how to get rid of the Hyperflash and go from this to this. So as you can see, it's flashing regularly, and that is the same bulb as I have right here. So what you want to do is buy some resistors. I got a box right here I got for my charger. So these are brand new. They're called load equalizer LEDs from Sylvania, and this is the whole kit. I'm using my own because I like these ones a little bit better. Those ones that come with it a little too big. Here they are right here. Yeah, they're kind of confusing too. Whereas like these ones just fold right over. So the reason why you need those is because the LED doesn't take up enough voltage or resistance. It doesn't create enough resistance to tell the computer that there's a bulb in there. Basically, this states or shows that there is no bulb, even though it's flashing. It's getting the power and everything just like the socket would, but it's just not registering that there's a bulb in that socket. So what you want to do is test which wire is your flash. On mine it's the outside wire, and then obviously the ground. So you're going to take this resistor and then go from the ground to your blinker wire. Typically you can find a schematic online. I just spliced into both wires just to find out which one was which, and I found out it was the outside wire. So I'm going to go ahead and splice into these, and then typically you're going to want to mount these. The reason why is they get really hot. I have just enough room in here to mount them right here. I'm just going to go ahead and mount that and not show you guys. You just need to install it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this, get it ready to go on this outside wire, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like and then how it's going to flash. Alright, and there it goes. It's now flashing just normal. This literally took me, I don't know, 30 seconds. So just went ahead and put those two together, and then now it's flashing just fine. So now I'm just going to put everything back together and then show you how it flashes. Alright, so there's the final outcome. Flashes like a normal light. Now I'm not getting that hyper flash, and I was getting an error message up on the dash. It said left and right rear lighter out right there. So I'm going to go ahead and close the hatch. Alright, so full LED swap I did on the whole rear. These are just reflectors, but LED, 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 and then the reverse lights are also LED. I'll show you those. So LED reverse lights, at night they're a lot brighter, but as you can see, they're very bright. So a lot of people know I'm backing up or going where I need to go. I'm thinking about blacking these out. Now that I have LEDs, the lights will look a lot better. So that is how to reduce or remove Hyperflash from your LED taillights, or the front lights you can do as well, same concept. So if you guys like this video, please leave a comment or a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can comment, or you can DM me on Instagram, ks_garage_, and if you have any questions, I'll answer them there. Have a good day.